if you're looking to quit your job and achieve financial freedom through real estate, I really want you guys to write this down and take notes on this topic. Let's say we're approaching the point where we are sick and tired of our job and we are looking for ways to win the tax game to help us get over that hump of the W 2 lifestyle. Well, you have some rental income. Log all of your hours in the year that you're going to quit your job. Because let's say we quit our job in July or early August. If we've been working in real estate the entire year, maybe 5 hours, 10 hours a week, and then we quit our job, we could potentially substantiate passing that 50% test, saying that we put more time in real estate than our W 2 job. Now we have the real estate professional tax status. And whatever rental we purchased in that year that we quit our job, we run the cost seg, we get the tax deductions, we get back some or all of the taxes that they were pulling out of our W 2 pay stubs every other week. And we get a nice refund when we file our tax returns. You'll be in the minority of people excited for your tax return because of this. And it'll help you get additional cushioning and additional capital to reinvest into more real estate to continue on the path of full-time entrepreneurship. Same thing for if you run a business and you're looking to exit.